Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your dynamic mode in your 2021 Acura TLX. So, in order to access this feature, all you have to do is to make sure you go to the center console. And it should be in the very middle of the center console, and then of course it's going to say dynamic mode. So this is a button that goes is a turn knob, so you can either go clockwise or counterclockwise. So let me go, for example, let's go clockwise. And as you can see right there, you have three main modes. You have your comfort, which is your everyday driving, of course, and then normal is in between the comfort and sport, so you can have the best of both worlds. And then sport, of course, is your spirited driving. If you would like to go on a spirited drive, then the sport mode is definitely for you. And then there is another mode that is called individual mode. So basically, in order to activate this feature, all you have to do is to make sure you press on this button right here and hold it for a couple seconds, and it should pop up right here. And as you can see, you could use the pad right here to scroll through these features. So for individual settings, this is basically a mode for you. So for example, if you would like to have your engine on sport and steering in comfort, you can do that as well. Or if you would like to have your lighting in sport, you would like to just change everything for your liking. So let me go through it right now. And of course, you can see right here, if you click on the engine, it's going to give you an option to do comfort, normal, sport. So this determines how much responsiveness you would like to have on your engine and transmission. Steering is the steering effort that you have to input in the vehicle. So you have three levels, of course: comfort, normal, and sport. Idle stop is if you would like to have it on or off. And then lighting, so if you go to individual mode, the lighting will change. So for example, if I did put it in individual mode right now, it will have the sport lighting on and all that fun stuff. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this quick tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Acura, and thank you guys for watching.